In this video, we have made interviews with some students regarding feedback. I met with these 4 students in a focus group to discuss the subject. Say hello to Lena, Matilda, Isabella, and Kate. Okay, let's get started.
Feedback in general is both critics and also the good stuff that you do.
Comments on their work, I suppose. Well, mainly to improve the work.
Yeah.
So then you can know what you did well and what was maybe not so well.
I guess you should learn from what you have done. And then you have a chance to do it better next time, or you know what actually works, what the teacher are looking for, and improvements.
It's maybe also not just what you do, but how you do it.
It's the guide. If you're a student, you need the feedback to understand how to be a student, how to study. It should give some motivation to continue to study.
Yeah, I also think as a student it can be kind of lonely sometimes. So just to get someone else to say something is quite important.
It has to be clear so that the student know exactly what to do better or what to continue doing, so that it's not any mixed signals. Well, it has to explain, not just say right or wrong, because it might be difficult to know what's wrong or why something is right.
Motivational feedback is good feedback. If the one that gives the feedback is tries to adapt the feedback to the person that it concerns, takes this person's situation into consideration, and give motivational feedback from the situation that the person is in. That is only to say that this is wrong and this is what you should do.
Feedback where you don't explain around your comments, you just give good or bad, or because I don't think you learn very much from them. And I think if you get back a paper with only good, bad, this was okay, then I don't think you work with it afterwards. I don't think you think through the work you've done.
And you also need the compliments. You can't just say this is bad, this is bad, this is bad, and then just go fix it. You also have to say what's good, so that you can feel confident about something.
I use it as a motivation to continue.
Well, I use it to improve my work, both mostly to practice to the exam. Then I know what to do and what not to do.
Yeah, it gives you an idea of what the teacher are looking for. And it makes you think afterwards, okay, I can see what the teacher mean, maybe this wasn't as good as I thought. It starts a process in your mind to think more over your work and what you could have done, and gives you more ideas maybe.
And I think maybe it can give you a deeper understanding. You might reflect over your answers.
So in my studies we don't really use it, and it's frustrating. Well, then I would feel not so alone in my studies. Yeah, just someone that cares about what you're doing all day. and that would be a motivation in itself.
Okay, very good. We have to wrap this up now, so thank you all so much for participating.
And now that you've seen the video, please remember to read the literature, take the multiple choice test, write your reflection essay. Good luck.